Hey, Bo's Garage here. I'm actually doing something different this time. Not a work video. I am at work, but no, not a work video. I'm doing a product review for TikTok. Let's get into it. So, what I have here is a TPMS tire safety sensors. Alright, so I have this I got it all charged up here. This is what it looks like. Wait, nope, this one. Nope, there it is. Sorry. There it goes. So as you can tell, it's not hooked up. These are the caps that fit right over your valve stem. For all of you older guys, or young guys, young gals, old gals, whatever, who don't have TPMS in their vehicle, it could be worth your while to invest in this. Especially with these winter months and the cold season we're expected to get here in the Midwest. So, with that being said, I am more than happy to show you how to put these on. So let's get to that. So, as I said, we're going to put these on. As you can tell, it snowed. Midwest snow. But, take this off. Take the old valve stem cover off. Don't lose them. I'm going to put this in my upper pocket here. You guys can't see me, but close enough. Now, front lift. It does have locking nuts that come with it. Hear that? So I have to set it and whatnot. But yeah, see folks, it's just that simple. Just take off your old valve stem, put on a new one. Then with this piece, it has a sticky piece that comes with it, so you can stick it on your dash. So for all you old truck fans or car fans who don't have it and want to know your tire pressure without having to get out of your car in the wintertime, I got you. And hey, to the makers of this, good on ya. Maybe I'll even promote it. I'd happily do that. Though I would really like to do a Bluetooth cassette tape. Still on this though.